The Early Learning Coalition of Hillsborough County is excited to introduce you to the Provider Portal. The Provider Portal is simply a new software that allows you as an early care and education provider the opportunity to upload in a confidential and secure manner all the documentation that's associated with contracting for the school readiness and voluntary pre-kindergarten programs. In short, it allows you to complete and sign your contracts for school readiness, voluntary pre-kindergarten, the performance funding pilot project, and child care resource and referral updates, all using an online platform. Providers and staff will be able to upload all required documents and store them in a secure document library. Additionally, the Provider Portal will provide electronic notifications. These notifications will range from redeterminations to ages and stages that are due to contract attachments that need to be updated. So it will help streamline those systems and make them more efficient. Additionally, you can complete attendance and submit it online. VPK rosters may be submitted online. And the Ages and Stages Questionnaire 3 will be able to be completed, scored, and received all online. It's pretty simple to access. All you need is internet connection, an email address, your license number or DOE ID for public schools, the zip code of your physical location, and a scanner to scan in your documents. These are all things that you typically have on your site to run your business, so you should be in great shape to utilize the Provider Portal as soon as it's available. In the event, though, you lack one of the following three things: an internet connection, a scanner, or a computer, the Early Learning Coalition of Hillsborough County has computers and scanners set up for you to use. Additionally, we have staff that can support you as you learn to use this automated process system. Providers will see in the Provider Portal status of any contract done online, and if there's an issue that they need to fix, then they can go right online and fix it right there with detailed instructions. They'll be able to see the status of ASQs that are due, pending, or completed. Notifications of school readiness children that have redetermination dates upcoming. A message center for communication with and between you as the provider and the Early Learning Coalition staff and subcontracted staff. Update your CCR&R provider information online. So as things change, you're able to go on and update your CCR&R provider information. Access to download documents and helpful links. And the wonderful addition of timestamping. So proof of your submission of any document, contract, attendance, or Ages and Stages questionnaire that's been completed and submitted online. Let's talk specifically about the contracts and agreements that have to be completed annually with the Early Learning Coalition of Hillsborough County. Those contracts and agreements now can be completed online, where they'll have highlighted required fields to help you know where to complete specific information. You're able to sign off on those contracts and agreements electronically, and you're able to upload the supporting documentation through the document library. The best feature is being able to check the status of your contract at any time online. So if you ever have a question, you just log in and check status. This was mentioned earlier, the notifications feature. Because this software an online portal is designed specifically to transmit information related to contracts and serving children and families here in Hillsborough County. It's set up with a lot of security and confidential features that permit us to transmit this information in a timely and efficient manner. You'll be able to see if a message is read or if you have a new message. You'll be notified if your required documents are expiring. You'll receive notices of ages and stages that need to be completed or that are still pending. You'll be able to receive notices of school readiness redeterminations that are due during that month, so you can assist families in reminding them of those dates. Now, for another fascinating feature is the Early Learning Coalition Hillsborough County's attendance feature. Providers will be able to document attendance for all school readiness and voluntary pre-kindergarten children online. Attendance by exception. This means that every child will be marked in care except for when you mark them as not being in attendance, and there you can add any documentation supporting the child's absence, such as a doctor's note or any medical or legal documentation that might be relevant to their absence. School readiness holidays will be pre-populated on the attendance sheets, and providers can do attendance on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis and submit it directly online through the secure portal. Submitted attendance will have an electronic submission timestamp, which assures that you know when you've submitted your attendance and when it has been received by the office. Children's attendance will not go beyond their recertification date. Again, another way for you to help your families know that their redetermination date is upcoming. That's it related to the provider portal. We're delighted that we can bring you this streamlined service, so it will save time and efficiencies for both you as the Early Care and Education contracted provider and for the Early Learning Coalition of Hillsborough County.